Hello everybody, Mrs. Van Tassel here. Today I'm going to read the story Dolphins. This is a non-fiction book, which means that it gives us information. What swims in the water but isn't a fish? What whistles and chirps but isn't a bird? What loves to jump but isn't a frog? It's a dolphin. A dolphin is a mammal just like you. Dolphins have lungs and breathe air. They get oxygen through a hole on the top of their heads. Their tails move up and down, and they have soft, smooth skin. A dolphin's body temperature is always about 97 degrees Fahrenheit. Dolphins look like fish, but they are different in some very important ways. Fish have scales. And fish have gills. Gills help fish get oxygen from the water. So dolphins breathe air, and fish get their oxygen from the water through their gills. Their tails bend from side to side. Remember a dolphin? Up and down, and fish side to side. A fish's body temperature matches the temperature of the water. A dolphin's life. A baby dolphin is called a calf. A baby dolphin has a small mouth, and the calf smacks food against the water to break it into bite-sized bits. Isn't it cute? A calf can swim as soon as it is born. It drinks milk from its mother's body, and when the little dolphin is about 6 months old, it starts to eat fish. And here's a great vocabulary word. Calf is a young dolphin. Dolphins live in groups called pods. Some pods join together to form schools. A dolphin school may have more than 1,000 animals. Whoa, that's a lot. Dolphins use squeaks, squeals, and whistles to talk to each other, and some dolphins in a pod are in charge of watching for sharks and other predators. Every dolphin has its own name. Each name is a series of whistling sounds. And remember that a predator is animals that eat other animals. Dolphins work together to catch prey. Remember, we've talked about prey several times. Remember what prey is? Please don't eat me. Please don't eat me. Please don't eat me. Dolphin pods will swim circles around a school of fish until the fish are tightly packed together. This big group of fish is called a bait ball. When the fish have nowhere to escape, the dolphins take turns going in and diving for a snack. Yum. And remember that prey are animals that are eaten by other animals. So fish is the dolphin's prey. A dolphin's body is just right for life underwater. They have flippers, and that helps a dolphin start, stop, and turn. They have a fin on the back that helps them stay balanced so they don't tip over, and it has a powerful tail that helps push it through the water. When a dolphin swims slowly, it rises to the surface and breathes once or twice a minute, and then a dolphin swims fast, it leaps out of the water to catch its breath. When a dolphin breathes air out, air blasts out of its blowhole at 100 miles an hour. Whoa! Dolphins have great eyesight, but the ocean can be very dark. It's hard for dolphins to see the little fish they like to eat on the ocean floor. If a dolphin is hunting alone, it will put its head to the ground and make a clicking noise. The noise hits anywhere in the dolphin's path and bounces back. A dolphin can find a fish by seeing it with a sound. This dolphin is using echolocation. You say it like this, echolocation. Dolphin actually uses echoes to locate the fish that they can't see, kind of like what bats do. Where dolphins live. More than 30 different kinds of dolphins live on Earth. Most dolphins swim in warm ocean waters near the equator, but some live in cooler seas north and south of the equator, and some live in rivers. The hourglass dolphin lives way out in the middle of the ocean. And the Hector's dolphin usually stays close to land. And an equator, great vocabulary word right here, is an imaginary line halfway between the North and the South Pole. So now let's find out what the difference is. Have you ever seen a porpoise? It looks a lot like a dolphin, but it's different. A dolphin's body is longer and leaner than a porpoise. See how it's longer and leaner than a porpoise? Dolphins are more curious and playful too. So porpoises have a top fin that's usually shaped like a triangle, but a dolphin's fin is normally hooked or curved. See the difference? The hook right here, and this one more looks just like a triangle. And a porpoise has rounded teeth. And a dolphin has pointed teeth. And a porpoise has a rounded snout, and a dolphin has a pointed snout. Great picture clues to help us see. Have you ever seen a dolphin with a long pointy snout? This funny looking mammal is called a river dolphin. So this one lives in a river. It has a long, thin snout, and they're slow swimmers. They rarely jump, and they have very poor eyesight. River dolphins are smaller than their ocean swimming cousins. They are also less active and less playful. So here's an ocean dolphin. It has good eyesight. It's fast swimmers, and they often jump. I know I love watching them do tricks. And they have a short snout. Super dolphins. A spinner dolphin twirls through the air like a spiraling football. It can jump almost 10 feet in the air and spin up to 7 times. An easy breather. A dolphin spends most of its life holding a breath. A Risso's dolphin can go for 30 minutes without coming up for air. And the deepest diver. Whales and dolphins are very closely related. In fact, some animals we call whales really are dolphins. The long-finned pilot whale is a dolphin that can dive 2,000 feet. And the most amazing dolphin of all is called an orca, also known as the killer whale. The orca wins almost every record-setting award in the dolphin category. It is the fastest dolphin. A killer whale can swim 7 times faster than an Olympic swimmer. Whoa. And an orca eats everything from sea turtles and penguins to seals and sharks. The longest living. It can live up to 90 years. And the biggest. Males can grow almost as long as a school bus. And goofing off. Dolphins spend a lot of time hunting for food, and they are always on the lookout for danger. But sometimes dolphins just want to have fun. Dolphins make up all kinds of fun games. This one right here is playing catch. They toss seaweed in the air, and they try to catch it. This one is surfing on a wave. They ride along storm waves or waves breaking near the beach. And tag, you're it. They chase each other through the water. Dolphins are gentle, playful creatures. They are also smart, which is why people and dolphins get along so well. By learning about these friendly marine mammals, humans are helping to protect dolphins and the waters that they live in. The end. I hope you enjoyed this nonfiction book, Dolphins.